Hello, so for this dishcloth you're going to need some cotton yarn, pair of scissors and a crochet hook. So we'll start by chaining 30. And now for the whole dishcloth we are going to do single crochets. So to make single crochet, you pull your hook through the first loop, yarn over, pull through, again yarn over and pull through, and repeat this step until you reach the end of the row. Pull through, yarn over, this is the last single crochet of the first row, and then we are going to chain one, turn our work, and then we are going to make single crochets into both of these loops. So pull your crochet hook through the loop, yarn over, and again yarn over, and repeat this step until you reach the end of the row. When you reach the end of the row, you chain one and then again turn your work and repeat doing single crochets into both of these loops. When you reach your final size, you just chain one cut the yarn, pull, and then with a crochet hook you just hide this piece of thread and cut the extra. Do this with the bottom part. And here is your reusable cotton dishcloth.